Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of healthy eating and share some valuable tips to help you achieve a healthy body and a slim waist. Nutrition plays a significant role in our overall well-being, and making smart food choices can contribute to our fitness goals. So, if you're ready to learn some healthy eating tips, let's get started. Tip 1. Focus on balanced meals. A balanced meal consists of three main components: protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. These macronutrients provide essential nutrients and help keep you satisfied. Include a good source of protein, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, tofu, or legumes. Pair it with complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Don't forget to add healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, or olive oil to your meals for added satiety. Tip 2. Practice portion control. Portion control is key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight and a slim waist. Be mindful of the quantity of food you consume and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes visually. Aim to fill half of your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with protein, and 1/4 with carbohydrates. Remember, it's not about deprivation but about finding the right balance. Tip 3. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Whole, unprocessed foods are rich in nutrients and support overall health. They are minimally processed and retain their natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Focus on incorporating fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. These foods provide essential nutrients and help you stay satisfied for longer. Tip 4. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is about being present and paying attention to the food you're eating. It helps you develop a healthier relationship with food and prevents overeating. Take your time to enjoy each bite, savor the flavors, and appreciate the nourishment your food provides. Avoid distractions like phones or TVs while eating, and tune in to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and well-being. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps maintain bodily functions, supports digestion, and aids in weight management. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and aim to drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water. You can also incorporate hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your meals. Tip 6. Minimize added sugars. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to weight gain and various health issues. Limit your intake of sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts. Read food labels and be aware of hidden sugars in packaged foods. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits to satisfy your sweet cravings. Tip 7. Plan and prepare meals ahead of time. Meal planning and preparation can help you make healthier choices and save time during busy days. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and create a shopping list. Prep ingredients in advance, cook in bulk, and store meals in portioned containers for easy access throughout the week. This way, you'll have nutritious options available and reduce the temptation to opt for unhealthy fast food. Tip 8. Indulge in treats moderately. It's important to find a balance between nourishing your body and enjoying the foods you love. Allow yourself to enjoy treats in moderation. If you're craving something sweet or indulgent, savor a small portion mindfully and fully enjoy the experience. Remember, it's about finding a sustainable, long-term approach to healthy eating. Tip 9. Include fiber-rich foods. Fiber is an important component of a healthy diet as it aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your meals to support a healthy body and a slim waist. Choose whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are also great options to incorporate into your diet. Tip 10. Opt for lean proteins. Lean proteins are not only essential for muscle repair and growth but also help you feel full and satisfied. promoting a healthy body and a slim waist. And there you have it. Some additional healthy eating tips to help you achieve a healthy body and a slim waist. Remember, it's all about nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods, making mindful choices, and finding a balanced approach that works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness content. Share your favorite healthy eating tips in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. Embrace these healthy eating tips, make them a part of your lifestyle, and watch your body and waistline thrive. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.